What up, you guys? Rafa here. I'm about to go to Omar's house and we're gonna have a little surprise for you guys. I don't know if I should give it away now, but I'll let you guys find out. See you. Alright guys, we just got here at Omar's house. He should be home. He told me to come over, go knock on his door and see if it's here. And guess who's coming out? Fucking weirdo.
What's up?
What up, bro? So what are we into?
We're gonna put some LED strips under this thing. They're green, so
They're green?
it's gonna be a ricer.
We're gonna, yeah, so we're gonna try to put LED on this. Have you ever done this before?
Nope.
Fuck it, we're gonna learn how to do this. Alright, so you guys wanna see Omar's whip? Damn, sexy ass whip. Omar's trap van. We get that F star right here, and then we got the Hoonigan sticker. Man, pull it out, Omar. Pull it out, trap van for days. Alright, he's pulling this out. We're gonna put in the Subaru right over here in the garage. We're gonna work on it in here. Do a burnout.
Ross was about to put the Subaru in my garage. Oh. Damn, you almost stalled that shit. And we're good.
Go for it.
Are you recording?
Go for it.
Oh shit. Alright, so I had these LED strips laying around in my garage. So we decided to put them on Rafa's car. So this pinkish purple one, it's not that bright because the batteries are probably dead. I'm gonna put up front here. And then I had these two green packets. I'm gonna put this one on that side, and this one on that side. And it should be lit.
Alright guys, so we're gonna open up the strips right now, Omar.
Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and open up these strips, and what better way to do them than with this chainsaw?
Alright guys, so how to install these? It just has 3M tape on the back, so I just peel it off and we're gonna stick it under my side skirts. They're pretty bright, so hopefully they'll work out.
First off, we're gonna get some tape and then just mount it and then see how it looks like that, so we know where to stick it, because then, you know, no errors. And yep. Show them what you do, Rafa. You chilling?
Absolutely.
Right there? Yep. Alright.
Alright, so we just mocked out the first one, you guys. Check it out. Omar, turn them on, bro. It's lit, bro. It's lit. It's lit.
We're gonna get so much hate for this shit.
Alright, guys, so we didn't open up the other two. So now we're gonna open up two at the same time.
Alright, so we finally finished up with Rafa's car. How do you like how it turned out, Rafa? He wants to do a purple one also.
Oh shit. I want to do the purple so bad.
Tomorrow, nigga. I want to see your reaction to this. So, let me know.
Got the buffer zone special, huh?
And then look at the front. We put like a purple one. This is sick.
What do you do about this?
Sick. I see you coming.
Alright guys, so we pretty much finished with the LEDs. We didn't really get too much in detail of how to put them on, but I'm pretty sure you guys got a good grasp of it. So we pretty much connected all the cables into a switch, and the switch turns on and off so that I could control when to have them on or off. So check it out. Alright guys, so what we pretty much did is put the wires through under the dash. This is still hanging up. I'm just gonna stick it under there somewhere, and I run it through the fuse box thing, and this is the switch right here. And you can see, bang, underglow.
Show them the front.
So check it out, you guys. Tell me what you guys think. I got green on the sides, purple on the front. We didn't do much to the back. I think this was good enough. But I like it. What do you think, Omar?
It took way much longer than we expected it to.
Yeah.
What time did we start?
Like 3.
3 o'clock.
And now it's 8.
8:15 now. We finished around 7:30. We just want to go take for a cruise. But yeah.
Alright guys, so this is for this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Please like, share, subscribe. And here's a little roller.